friends, in this video we will see how to fix Epic Games error code LS0013 on your Windows 11 and 10 system. If you are also facing such type of Epic Games launcher not working properly, then here are the fixes. First one is right click on start button and choose run. In run dialog box, type the command %local app data % and click on OK. Clear web caches of your Epic Games folder. Here scroll down and you will find the option Epic Game Launcher. Open it. Here open saved folder. Here you will find web cache 4430 and some other web caches folder. If you found, simply select it and choose delete. This will clear all your web caches of your Epic Games launcher. So clear web caches folder from File Explorer. Select it and choose delete. After that, check whether your Epic Game Launcher error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Delete first all caches folder and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on a start button and choose run. Here type ncpa.cpl. Type this command, click on OK. It will open all your network connection, available network connection, either Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Choose, go to your network connection, right click on it and choose properties. Here the connections uses the following items. Select Internet Protocol version IPv TCP4. Choose properties and make the check against option. Use the following DNS server address and use Google DNS server. And Google DNS server address is 8888 and 8844. And click on OK. After using Google DNS server, check whether your Epic Game Launcher error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Close the windows. Open control panel in your system. Here scroll down and look for the option Programs and Features. Open it. Here go to the Epic Game Launcher app, select it and first choose repair and repair. If repair does not work, then choose uninstall Epic Game Launcher. And after uninstalling Epic Game Launcher, uninstall it and reinstall a fresh version of Epic Game Launcher in your Windows system. The one more workaround you can apply, go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. A pop-up window will appear, choose yes, and in command prompt Windows, execute the command sfc scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. Wait till 100% verification complete. It will take some time, so wait till 100% verification complete. After that, restart your